We got ourselves a mail call. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Thought I'd share a real quick mail call with you. Alrighty, so first of all, I had noticed $10.20. I remember these things were like $5. Unbelievable. So I do appreciate Jim sending this to me. This is I was told I was gonna get some Flint from New Zealand from Jason. So I'll link both their channels down in the description. I feel it's okay to use their first names because, well, their channel names are their first names too. So we got some Flint here. We got a whole lot of it too. Wow, it's a nice big flat piece right there. Dang, nice big flat piece. And this is a really nice Flint. Not that I'm an expert in rocks, but it's really nice. What we got in here? As I've said before, there's only a certain kind of person who gets excited over rocks and over wood. Some small pieces. Yeah. There's a really nice Flint in here too. I'm going to add a few of these to my Flint and steel kit, which I just put together. So, thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, Jason, for sending it to me. Thank you. Well, I guess Jason mailed it to Jim, and then Jim sent it out to me. So, I do appreciate that. Thank you very much. This will just be a real quick video. I'm gonna have to get some of these out. Start doing some Flint and steel. Sweet. Well, I figured since I was home and I got everything here, I might as well just go ahead and throw a few pieces in. I did a video on this full kit, so well, I had one piece of Flint in here, so go ahead and add the two small ones. Two strikers. And this larger one here. I think I just have one big piece in here, so I got two chart pins. Yeah, I just had the one piece, so I'll go ahead and add these two. Noise.